Go.
Welcome back to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Biology Edition. We have two new contestants, Andrew York and Jesse Loftman, wanting to be a millionaire. What are you guys' thoughts before we start the game?
I want to win and get $1 million.
Okay, 23 tough, hard questions picked by our producers. We're going to start right now. Slam your hand on the table when you have the answer. Number 1. What of the following is not part of the cell theory? A. Cells grow in water. B. All living things are made of cells. C. The cell is the basic unit of life. And D. The cells are made from pre-existing cells.
I think I got it. I'm going to go A. Cells grow in water.
That is
part of the cell theory.
That is correct. 2. What is one difference between eukaryotes and prokaryotes? Eukaryotes are plant and animal cells. B. Prokaryotes are bacteria and other things. C. Eukaryotes have nuclei while prokaryotes don't. And D. All of the above.
All the above.
That is correct. What is the main function of the nucleus?
I think it holds and stores the DNA.
That is correct as well. Number 4. What is the function of the mitochondria?
I got it. Makes ATI.
I'm gonna have to say that is wrong. It is ATP or energy. That was a good guess though.
Thank you.
Andrew, you get a point.
Thank you.
Number 5. What is the function of the cytoplasm?
Got it. The gel-like liquid in the cell.
That is correct as well.
Redemption.
Number 6. What is the function of the Golgi apparatus?
I think I got it. Helps transport lipids and protein molecules throughout the cell.
That is correct as well. You guys are on a winning streak.
Thank you.
You guys collectively. Number 7. What do ribosomes do?
Got it. Move DNA and synthesizes proteins.
I'm gonna say that is a very good guess, but it is moves RNA, not DNA. Good try. You get another point, Andrew. True or false? Plants have cell walls.
True.
That is correct. Number 9. What is the main function of the cell membrane?
I think it determines what enters and exits the cell.
That is correct as well. And you're on a big winning streak right now.
I'm nervous.
What organelle gives the plant a green color and helps with photosynthesis?
Chloroplast. Learned that from Mrs. Behrman.
That is correct. Is that your science teacher?
Yeah, she's very good.
Well, I'm glad she can help you study for this millionaire contest.
Thank you.
What is the main function of lysosomes?
Got it. Wait. I gotta think of this. Disposes waste.
That is correct. It disposes waste in the cell. True or false? Both animals and plant cells have the same size vacuoles.
That's false. The animal has a small and the plant has a large.
That is correct. What is the main function of the phalangia?
The flagella.
Flagella. Thank you for correcting me.
D. Helps with the movement of the cell.
Ooh, we are tied now. Jesse got multiple in a row. Well, here's the bonus round. Name as many differences between plant and animals. Go. You get a point for each.
Alright, I have 3 for plants. Cell wall, large vacuole, and chloroplast.
That's correct.
I have 3 for animals though. So I could tie it, right?
Yep.
Lysosomes, small vacuole, and centrosomes are all in animal cells, not in plant cells.
Very
Is that
good. We
correct?
are now tied up again.
Thank you.
Both of you. What a bonus round.
Woo.
Number 16. What purpose does the cell membrane serve? Again.
Okay, there was one thing that we forgot to add last time. It was that it has protection as well as letting things in and out of the cell.
That is true. We have to repeat the cell membrane. It is really important. We also have to know it is semi-permeable, which means it actually chooses what comes in and out. Number 17. What is homeostasis?
Homeostasis is the balance inside of a cell.
That is correct. It helps with temperature and regulating stuff like that. Number 18. What is not a form of passive transportation? Diffusion, osmosis, endocytosis, and facilitated diffusion.
I think I got it. Endocytosis.
That is correct. Still tied up here. Number 19. Does passive transport require energy? True or false?
False. Oh, I picked my funny bone, but it's false.
That is correct. I'm sorry for your elbow. What are the forms of active transport? Do you want me to read it?
Yes, please.
A. Endocytosis. B. Exocytosis. C. Sodium-potassium pump. And D. Actively diffused.
I think it's D, actively diffused.
Is not it, or is it?
It's not a form of active transport.
Good job. Actively diffused is a made-up.
I think I can get an extra point here. The ones that are endocytosis, exocytosis, and sodium potassium carbonate.
That is correct. You got 3 extra points. Jesse's now winning by 2 points because Andrew got that one. So it cuts. What is the definition of concentration and gradient? A. Concentration, amount of particles, gradient, rate of decline, or how fast. And then flipped around is B. Concentration is the rate of decline, or how fast, and gradient is the amount of particles.
I think I got it. It's A. Amount of particles is concentration, and rate of decline or how fast is gradient.
That is correct. 21. Finish the statement. Hypertonic means solute rich on the blank of the cell, can lead to cell shrinking, or better known as blank.
Hypertonic means cellular rich on the outside of the cell, can lead cell shrinking, or better known as plasmolysis.
That is correct. You get 2 points for that. Andrew is now behind by 4 points. Let's see if he can get back here. He needs to get the next 2 right. Because the next one is 2, and same with the last one. Let's see if he can get this. Finish the statement. Hypotonic means solute rich on the blank of the cell, can lead to cell swelling, or better known as blank. Pick 2.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go with hypotonic means the solute rich on the inside of the cell can lead to swelling, or better known as cytolysis.
That is correct. Andrew needs to get this to tie, and then we will have a very interesting end. We don't have any more questions prepared. So, will Jesse be able to stop him and get it fast enough, or will Andrew be able to tie the game? You guys will split $500,000 equally. Isotonic means equal amounts of solute on both sides, results in equilibrium. Is that true or false?
I'm gonna take a guess here and say it's false.
That is incorrect.
Let's
Jesse
go!
wins.
$1 million! We gonna buy some microscopes with that. Mrs. Behrman, that one was for you. Bless. We out.
Thank you for coming to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. We will see you next episode.